are we doing here, Mike?
LSPR 2018. It's over there though.
Car! GMC Sonoma?
Your lights are on. Sammy. Bet you never saw a bling like this. Oh, this guy's coming in hot. Is that a Dodge?
Neon.
I really have to remember the auxiliary cable. Car. Mike favorite. Wait, am I Spees? What are we listening to?
Yes.
The podcast.
Oh!
What is
It's the
this?
PulpMX show's intro
It's
song.
Matthew Good.
Turn it up more.
This one's for you, McKinney.
Beer.
You don't remember Tropic Thunder?
Never watched it.
With Ben Stiller
Didn't watch
and
it.
Jack Black? Come on.
Doggo.
There's Travis Salami anyway. Said he's racing.
I said, what do you want? Quiet. This is the library.
This is just break-in. This is just practice.
We're testing the water.
Benson will have his.
Benson will have his tomorrow.
Benson who?
9 times out of 10. This is video, isn't it? I'm not mad, I'm just disappointed.
Car.
You're running in it.
110 VP ratio.
She's running VP 110 and a stock KX250F. Why though? More cowbell.
Here comes. This long shot.
Always taking pictures and videos. Hate it.
No one would even, there would be no physical proof that ever even, nothing.
What do you think that she's trying to say?
We're trying to hide it.
I'm only her Saturday, Sunday. That's it. No more.
Water.
Straight vodka.
Car.
Big first form guy.
Big first form guy. Good morning, Vietnam. Rise and shine. It is 8 o'clock almost. Get your lazy bums out of bed, boys and girls.
Oh, October 20th, LSPR, and she's snowing. Snowing nicely. We're ready to go though. Girls out loaded up, cooler, water, some beer, hot chocolate. It works. Let's get after it. What do you say, Jake? What do you say?
Disappointed in the comments.
97 back.
Receiver, that's you.
Oh yeah, they're built by her on the highway when it's like da 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 da. I think it bounces a little bit.
Yeah.
Yeah, you should turn that shit off now.
All right.
You have one of these? Farm. You have one of these? Get out. Get out of here.
I grew up milking cows.
Yeah, you're a grill person. You've been promoted.
Bring her in tight. Bring her in tight. So you can see here, we're making us some coffee. We got snow out here, and it's cold. My hands are cold, and I'd like a nice cup of joe. You know what I mean? That's all I have to say about that.
Oh.
Sit idling, you know, for a little bit. Hard burger's coming, kids. Just go onto there, and you press. We're moving now, folks.
Gets one, makes one like that, and they have a blend called Fifth Gear.
Tastes like
Tap.
coffee.
Really?
Delicious.
Yeah, I really.
Got any words of wisdom, Benson?
These sections, it's more important to show off than actually go fast. Like, just back it right in. That's all I got.
That's all I got. All right.
Telling you, the moped, they dominate out here for sure.
About Team Darkness. Go ahead and give us a like on your Instagram and your Facebook pages. We will do absolutely nothing for you, but you will get enjoyment out of it. That is a guarantee.
Bees likes his coffee, likes his team.
Dark. Black. Team Darkness.
Stay in school.
Team Darkness.
It's up to you. Do you want to?
But not.
It's your own fault then.